This is David from Dyson Bikes. Common question we get regarding our 20-inch Adventure folding bike is how big is it when it's folded? Quite a valid question, but really what I wanted to show you in this video is that it's very hard to give an accurate measurement of the size of the bike. So if we take our tape measure and measure the bike, we're looking at about 88 centimetres this way, about 48 centimetres across, and 66 centimetres high to this point. But as you can see, it's not a regular shape. We're not talking about a cube. So if you take your tape measure out and measure out that dimensions, 88, 48, 66, it's quite a big box. But when you look at the bike and when you load it in the car, it's much smaller than that. We've got a lot of air in the bike. So to manoeuvre it into a boot, into a back seat, is a lot easier than those dimensions imply. So I thought it was good just to show you roughly how big the bike is, and then you might get a better idea on how it's going to fit in your vehicle and in your space. Now the other thing you can do with the bike is, rather than fold it up completely in the middle, you can just fold the handlebars down as well, and then it's quite narrow and easy to load. So ideally the best thing to do is pop in and see one of our authorised Dyson Bikes dealers. We have quite a few around Australia. And just do a test fit on the bike and see if it's going to fit where you need it to go, and then you'll get a much better idea of how it works. But look, if you've got any questions, if you want us to take a specific dimension on the bike, if you're not near one of our dealers, feel free to get in touch at dysonbikes.com.au or give us a call. We'll be happy to hear from you. Thanks for watching.